ones, the old who's at peace and absolutely stunning. There whose bulky forests that gave us food and shelter to live. Animals were living in freedom. The air was so fresh and breathable. The land was clean and grasses were green. Everything was so flawless and unpolluted. The sky and water were both clear and blue. Indeed, living on earth was a very beautiful thing. But it is undeniable at this point that our environment is changing and degrading day by day. Nature is speaking, but we are not listening to it yet. It is asking for help. Human beings are part of nature. Nature is not dependent on human beings to exist, but human beings are totally dependent on nature to exist. Now, our environment is suffering from a lethal anthropogenic activity. Our oceans are clogged with plastics, our climate is warming, our forests are disappearing. We must find a solution to it. Now it's time to think about our Mother Earth and help her to sort out from this problem. If not so, we should stop calling the planet as Mother Earth because it gives us false sense of relation of mother and her children. It gives us the sense of mother is loving us, caring us, nurturing us, but her children are killing her and destroying her gradually and gradually. Now it's our turn, children's turn, to care our mother earth and safeguard Earth's future, which is indirectly safeguarding our own future. We are humiliating Mother Earth by throwing garbages here and there, by polluting lakes and rivers, by deforestation, and by overpopulation or overpopulating. There are various of ways by which we can protect the earth, we can protect our nature, we can protect our Mother Earth. It's children's responsibility to protect her mother from any danger. We can follow the 3R rule to conserve the natural resources and landfill space, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. We can volunteer to clean up in our community, and we can also get involved in protecting the watershed in our community too. By involving in eco clubs, we can do such volunteering activities, and from school level also we can do such volunteering activities. By educating, by helping others to understand the importance and value of our natural resources, by conserving water, choose sustainable, shop wisely. We can buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Use long-lasting light bulb, energy efficient light bulb. Reduce greenhouse gas emission. Also flip the light switch off when you leave the room. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non-toxic chemicals in the home and office. By doing these activities, we can protect our mother or our planet. Now let's unite together to protect our earth.